Team Europe has remained in the news in Nigeria after the massive press coverage it received over the announcement of the 50 million euros donated towards the country's response to the COVID-19 crisis. This time, the delegation to Nigeria and ECOWAS has distributed various food items to 2,200 vulnerable households in and around Abuja, as well as hand-washing equipment to communities within the same localities. The beneficiaries include people with disability, female heads of households and widows, as well as families most impacted by the lockdown.
So it's very good to be here in Calamadiri today, where we are starting the distribution of 2,200 food packages. So we will hand them over now to the emir of this community for them to provide it to those most in need. Of course, we already provided very significant support for the national response, but we also need to convert words into action and see things happening on the ground immediately. And that is why we are here today. Meanwhile, the European Union will continue providing support through all our programs and activities. We are looking at how can we channel support for the energy sector so that we provide electricity for treatment centers. We are looking at how can we redirect funding for ECOWAS so we support the West African Health Organization as well. And in this sense, we are really turning every stone to make sure that we provide the necessary aid in this very, very difficult situation. But nothing is more important than supporting those that are in most need, the most vulnerable people of our societies. And we know we cannot feed all of Nigeria with the boxes behind us here, but if everybody is coming together, then we can make a real difference. And that is what we want to show today. And that solidarity between nations, between Europe on one side, Africa and Nigeria on the other side, is more important than ever before. Really, nobody can fight this scourge alone. We need to come together. So we keep distance as people, but as societies we come together. And I think that solidarity will really reflect the genuine partnership that exists between the European Union and Nigeria.
In the spirit of Team Europe, the initiative received the full backing of member state missions in Nigeria.
The Embassy of Denmark is proud to be part of Team Europe to coordinate and support.
We are in this together and we will overcome it together.
We feel proud to be part of this initiative.
Team Europe shows solidarity with Nigeria.
Beneficiaries expressed gratitude to the EU for focusing on the most vulnerable groups who bear the brunt whenever the economies are dislocated.
This is a remarkable effort by an organization to the people that are underserved. And we want to make a firm promise that we will show accountability, integrity, and equity.